Hey guys, I'm the Creative Gem here, and today I'm going to show you how to do this cute and sexy braided updo. You can rock this versatile look with a pony or braids, but whichever one you choose, it's going to be the hottest style of the summer. If you want to know how I did this, keep watching this video and subscribe if you like what you see. So I'm starting off with blow-dried hair to stretch it out a bit, and to prep the hair, I did my usual wash day routine. Then came in with my handy dandy parting comb, and ladies, this is key to clean parts using this parting comb, and I'll put a link in the bio of the one I use. But yes, key to nice clean parts. This hairstyle has a lot of parts, and the first one we're gonna do is we're gonna split it down the middle, as you can see, and then I'm going to part it to ear. I'm also gonna repeat the same step on the other side, as you can see. This part is at the halfway part of my head, but you can place yours anywhere you like. By the way, it's okay if your lines are clean because we're definitely going to go back and clean that up, which you're going to see very shortly. All right, sis, so here's the most important part, parting. So my center braid is the foundation of the style. So I'm going to start my parting there, and I'm also going to be using my eyes as guidelines. Now, the first thing you're going to do is pull that comb straight back on one side and then duplicate that same action on the other. And the reason why I use my eyes as guidelines is because the braid wasn't too small, it wasn't too big, and I feel like it fit my facial shape pretty well. These straight parts are a little boring, so I'm gonna jazz it up a bit by making them curved. So I'm gonna take my comb, swoop it slowly around, kind of swooping it inward to make a curve, and then I'm gonna do it again until I get close to what I want. But don't worry if the parts are not clean. We're gonna go back and clean them up. However, that does not mean be sloppy. Just do the curve as best you can, because like I said, we're gonna go back in and make it even curvier. We're going to do that by smoothing some gel down the part and then coming back in again with that comb to grab those hairs. I did this a few times to make those parts nice and neat. Repeat on the other side, and it does take a few tries to get this down packed. So don't be hard on yourself if you have to do it multiple times or even multiple styles to get it right. It does take some work. And you might even have to reapply that gel, which is perfectly okay, to try to grab those strands and make everything clean. Once you're satisfied with your parts, go on ahead and apply your hair products. Then brush down the hair around your parts, because this is another tip to keep everything nice and neat. Once you've done all that, you're ready to braid. Take your time, ladies. No need to rush through this step. Seriously, this is how you create nice, clean braids or twists, by just taking your time and not rushing through it. I like using rubber bands to secure the braid. I feel like they last longer, and also it adds a little bit of color. I'm using black this time, but you can use colored, you can use thick ones, you can use small ones, you can even double them up. But I like to use them because I feel like my braids last longer. Before I start the next part, I'm going to apply more gel to the other part, and then I'm going to bring that comb downward and around again. This part is going to be smaller. This braid is going to be smaller. So basically what I have is a larger braid in the middle, and then I'm going to have two smaller braids on each side, and then they get a little bigger. I'm going to repeat the steps as I did with my other braid, applied my product, and then just braided it up. And once again, take your time. repeating this process with your parts and your braiding until you reach the end of your head. I'm going to show you a few braids that I did. I'm going to show you the small ones, and then the next ones next to those will be like a little bit bigger, like medium size, because I think it would look cooler if I had different sizes instead of all of them the same, you know, creating like a pattern. Now what you can also do is stop here and then just slick back the sides with gel and then put your hair up in a ponytail and then add your drawstring ponytail or braids to it. You could do something like that, or you could simply just keep going like I am, adding more braids. You could do so many different hairstyles, but I like the multiple braids because it's summer, it's hot, it's humid, and I'm able to go to the beach or go to the pool and not worry about sweating out my hair or my edges coming up from the humidity. Another quick tip is to use a toothbrush for your edges or use a comb. As you can see, I'm taking the comb, going in again, grabbing those hairs, combing it down, and this makes it once again nice and clean parts. Applying your gel really holds down certain hairs, so when you're braiding or you're doing your edges, it doesn't catch when you're braiding. Phew, child, I was a little tired right here. So tired, I decided to snap my fingers and show you the transition from before and after. For this hairstyle, I created 9 braids, 1 big one, 2 small, and the rest a little bit bigger than the smaller one. You're probably wondering, Emerald, why are you not braiding the back? Well, I have not learned how to braid the back. I have no idea how to braid the back. It's hard. So I'm going to do this hack where I just simply don't do it. LOL, you got to do what you got to do, ladies. So yeah, all I'm going to do is divide my hair in sections, add gel to it, and then slick my hair back into a ponytail in 3, 2, 1, boop. All right, ladies, you're almost there to having a cute and classy ponytail. Next up is to add my drawstring ponytail. So I divided my ponytail into 2 parts, twisted them up, and then I'm going to attach my drawstring ponytail. If you're unfamiliar about how the drawstring ponytail works, it's pretty simple. There's a comb on the top and a comb on the bottom. You attach the top cone to your natural ponytail, and then you attach the bottom cone and put it underneath your natural ponytail. Then you're going to pull that drawstring as tight as you can, wrap it around your ponytail so you don't see the string, and there you go. You got your natural, almost natural looking drawstring ponytail. The finishing touches to this look are some hair jewelry. I'm going to add these gold ones to the middle of my braid. You can add it throughout your hair, but I did want my middle braid to be the focal point. I have so much hair jewelry. I have it like in different colors, but I love rocking gold because it matches my necklace. Your cute and sexy braided updo is now complete. You're now ready for summer. If you want to know how I created this braided ponytail, click the link right up here to find out how. If you enjoy content like this, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification on the bottom to be notified when new content comes out. Alright, see you guys in the next video. Bye.